Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will be doing a short yoga practice to improve balance, focus, concentration, coordination and stability. So balancing asanas are not just about standing on one leg, it is more about patience, concentration and body awareness. With that, let's start with the practice. So let's begin with a little bit of loosening. Stand with the feet slightly apart, roll your shoulders back and down. We're going to take few neck rotation here to slowly loosen the joints and reverse the direction and slowly return back to center. Shoulder rolls, lifting the shoulders up, rolling it back and down, breathing in to lift, breathing out to roll your shoulders back and down. One last time, breathe in and breathe out. Now reverse the direction, breathing in and out, breathing in and out. One last time, breathing in and out. Very nice. Now from here, what we do, inhale, raise your heels, come on your toes. Keep pressing your toes onto the mat, lifting your heels. Think of tightening your calves. And then as you exhale, dropping the heels, lifting the toes. Now keep going with this practice, just rocking your body back and front, just a couple of times, warming up the legs. So think about keeping the core engaged here, making sure that your core is nice and tight and relax. Very nice. Now dropping your heels on your mat. We are starting with the first practice. We call it Tadasana, palm tree pose. Standing with the feet slightly apart, or if you haven't practicing regularly, try keeping your feet together. Fingers are nicely interlocked at the heart center. Inhale, raise your arms up overhead and then gently raise your heels here. Keep looking forward at one single point. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Feel a nice stretch, the engagement of your calves. Keep pulling the navel in towards the spine. And then as you exhale, release the grip and then bring your heels back on your mat. Good, take a moment. So now get ready for the next pose. For the next one, just stand on your right foot. You're going to lift the left leg up. So you have two options. Option to place your hands under the thigh, or if you're more comfortable, give it a try to make it a little more challenging. Interlock your fingers and draw your thigh towards the belly. Now keep pressing into your right foot and look straight ahead, making sure that your belly is nice and tight here, and stay here for 1, 2, 3. Keep your standing legs strong. 4 and 5. Exhale, slowly bring your left leg down. Now keep the hands interlocked. Let's do it on the other side. You're going to lift the right leg up and draw your knee into your chest, or as I said, if it's really difficult, in that case you can simply keep your leg down and try holding the back of your thigh, and let's hold it for 1, 2, just breathe normally, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As you exhale, you're going to slowly bring that right foot down. Again, feel free to rock front and back or any other movement that works for you to release any grip or tension from your joints. Next, we'll be practicing a very beautiful pose called as Nataraj Asana, the dancer's pose. So this practice will teach you stability, balance and coordination. I'll be providing you with 2 modifications. See which one works for you, and if you're new to yoga, if you've just started yoga, in that case also just try to take the beginner's variation for now. Now for Nataraj Asana, stand on your right leg. You're going to lift your left leg up. Try holding your ankle. Okay, the ankle grip is better, or else you can also hold your foot. Right. Now keep pressing into your right foot. Think of really pulling your left heel towards the hip. And then if you're comfortable, take that right arm forward. Again, as I said, keep looking forward and then see if you can lift your left leg up. Right? And slowly with practice over time, you will be able to lift the leg higher. And stay here for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then as you exhale, slowly come back to center and bring your left foot down. Let's do it on the other side. Now again the same thing, standing on your right leg, left leg. Stand on your left leg, lift your right leg up. Try holding your ankle or your foot and take that left arm forward and slowly, option to stay here, or you can also take that leg up. For a beautiful smile on your face and keep looking forward. Stay here for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then as you exhale, slowly bring your leg down and take a moment. So it is perfectly fine if you are wobbly, okay, that is natural. Once you're consistent with your practice, you'll be more stable and balanced in your asanas. All right, now come into a comfortable seated position and get ready for the last and final pose. Come on your hands and your knees into tabletop. We call it tabletop. Try getting your wrist right below the shoulders and stack your hips over the knees. So your hands are shoulder distance apart, your knees are hip distance apart. Another good practice for improving coordination and stability. Now from here, think of tucking the tailbone slightly under, as in maintain a neutral spine. So that means you're not arching or rounding, simply maintain a neutral spine. And from here, take that right arm forward first and taking your left leg back. Okay, so don't have to go too high here, just do only as much as you can and think of really stretching your fingers forward, pointing your toes back and see if you can balance and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Well done. Now let's also do it on the other side. Okay, press into your right palm and your left knee this time, taking that left arm forward and kick the right leg back. Stay here for 1, balance, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Awesome. Now bring your hand and your knee on your mat and relax in Vajrasana. Catch your breath. Okay. All right, thank you so much for practicing with me, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the practice today, and then I hope that you feel more balanced and calm after the practice. And also do let me know on which topic should I make the next video. I'll be waiting for your feedback. Thank you so much for joining in. I'll see you in the next session. Take care.